Hi guys, welcome to the eLearno. In this video, we're going to learn about the cooperating processes. Okay, so let's get started. So what do you mean by cooperating processes? Cooperating processes are those processes which affect or be affected by the another process. इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका ये मतलब है कि हम उन प्रोसेस को कोऑपरेटिंग प्रोसेस कहते हैं जो अफेक्ट करती हैं या फिर अफेक्ट होती हैं बाय द अनदर प्रोसेस. Okay, so a process is said to be cooperating process if it affect or be affected by another process that is executing in the system. Suppose if there are three processes that are executing in the system, 1, 2 and 3 processes that are executing in the system, and these three processes are affect the working of the another process, each of these process or be affected by each of these process. Suppose this is P1 and this is process number 2 and this is process number 3. Process number 1 is affect the working of process number 2. Let's suppose process number 1 affect the working of process number 2 and process 3 affect the working of process number 1 and process 2 affect the working of process number 3. So all these three processes are said to be cooperating process because these processes are affect or be affected by the another process in the system. Okay, so these processes are called cooperating process. On the other hand, the process which cannot affect or cannot affected by another process in the system is said to be independent process. Means the process is independent. It cannot affect the another process or nor it cannot be affected by another process in the system. Okay, so cooperating process के एडवांटेजेस क्या होते हैं? कोऑपरेटिव प्रोसेस के एडवांटेज होते हैं कि जैसे रिसोर्स शेयरिंग बिटवीन द प्रोसेस, इट कैन बी इनेबल ओनली व्हेन द प्रोसेस आर कोऑपरेटिव. ओके, आप डेटा शेयरिंग रिसोर्स शेयरिंग प्रोसेस के बीच में तभी कर सकते हो व्हेन द प्रोसेस आर कोऑपरेटिंग. ओके, नाउ there are several reasons that we want a cooperating process. We want cooperating process to be in the system. There are several reasons for that. Okay, the first reason is information sharing. As you can see, when the process are cooperating, when they can affect the working of another process or be affected by the another process, in that particular scenario information is shared between the processes. As you can see here in a figure, that there are multiple people located at various terminals, then they can share various type of media information, whether it is image, video, whether it is a sound recording, whether it is a text message, whether it is a mail. They can share every type of information with each other because they are working in a cooperating environment in which the one worker can affect the working of the other two and other two can affect the working of these three. Okay, so information sharing is one of the advantages of a cooperating process. Okay, the second advantage a cooperating process that allow is a computational speed up. As you can see, when the process are cooperating, when they work in simultaneous concurrently manner, then the speed of computation is increased because computer can speed can increase because there are several processes working concurrently, simultaneously बहुत सारी process execute हो रही हैं. Okay, so speed up तो हो गई obviously. The next thing is modularity. Now what do you mean by modularity? Modularity क्या होता है? Means आपका जो large job है is divided into smaller sections of job and each job have its own significant. हर एक job को module कहा जा रहा है यहाँ पे. हर एक job का अपना significant है. Like you can see that particular figure here. A particular job is divided into individual job. Each job have its own significance. And each of these jobs run concurrently, simultaneously, parallelly, so that job execution done fast at the faster rate. So this is called the modularity, and this is the advantages that a cooperating process can allow us to do. Okay, next thing is convenience. Each and every individual user may have several tasks to work at a time. Okay, so cooperating processes allow us an environment or interface with which a many process can communicate simultaneously with each other and can execute parallelly and cooperatively. Okay, so this is the advantage that a cooperating process is given to us. It means a fourth reason why we need a cooperating process in the system. So this is basically about the cooperating system. Okay, so cooperating process, I hope you guys are understanding what's the cooperating process is. Okay, so cooperating process are basically those process which affect or be affected by the another process in the system. Okay, cooperating process is necessary because of the four reasons given below. Okay, information sharing, computational speed up, modularity, and convenience. Okay, these are the four reasons that we need cooperating process in the system, or with that, or we can say that these are the four reasons uh, due to which we need a system with the cooperating processes. Okay, I hope you guys understand about the basic idea about the cooperating process in that particular video. And if you guys like that particular video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and share button. Thank you.